Hey beautiful people, what's up? It's V. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to the channel and you enjoy this video or you find this video helpful and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe down below and hit the cute little bell so you can get a notification every time I upload. You can see salon work, vlogs, hauls, shopping, lifestyle, child, just you can see a plethora of things. You can just get your whole entertainment and your whole education together. Okay, if you are not new, welcome back. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking this video, the last video you liked, sharing the last video you like, commenting on the last video you like. Thank you guys for all the support. Y'all, I just want to use this moment to say thank you. This is, I don't know which number video this is, but first of all, I'm very proud of myself. I am still coming with the content, like being a salon owner and the only stylist in my salon. Like, you can only imagine all the things that I have to do. So adding YouTube to my agenda is a really big thing, but I really care about getting this content out to you guys because some of the stuff, although it entertains you, it can inspire you, and it can help educate you on some stuff to do to your hair. Speaking about education, I got on my little hair wrap today, but that is only because I have been playing it off. As y'all see, I'm in my bathroom, and last time I was in my bathroom, I showed you guys from start to finish a wash day of my 4C hair, me defining my curls afterwards, doing a quick little styles, showed you all that. So if I'm in here, y'all know I got to be doing my hair. If you haven't seen that video, be sure to check it out. I will place it somewhere on the screen so you can click it and watch it after this video if you want to see my wash day of my 4C hair. Today I am coming back with another hair video with me and my hair, and y'all, this little hair wrap is real cute and it's really been helping me play off the fact that I got a whole treatment under here. Child, I've been at work all day with my little treatment on. So I shampooed my hair this morning. I am getting my hair braided down and getting a lace frontal wig put on. First of all, it's October. Y'all know it's Libra season. My birthday is October 20th. So yes, your girl is getting cute and all fancy for her birthday. Bae is taking me out of town. We're gonna do some nice things. We like to surprise each other, so I don't know what we're doing. I'm just down for the ride, and I'm excited to be off for a few days. If you guys follow me on social media, you know your girl is booked for the year, so I got a lot of work ahead of me, and a lot of work is gonna be behind me once I be off for this little moment of time, and I'm definitely gonna enjoy myself. So since I'm getting my hair done tomorrow morning, it's early appointment, have to be there at 9, so I don't have time to do nothing to my hair tomorrow. I gotta do it all tonight after I just got done doing hair all day. So talk about dedication to the content. But I shampooed my hair this morning, and I put a treatment on. I just been having my treatment on all day because I wanted it to stay wet so I can show you guys what I do from start to finish with after I shampoo my hair. If I need to blow dry it out, get it ready for braids, or if I need to just blow dry it out to do a style or whatever, if I want to stretch my hair out, I wanted to show you guys what I do. Okay, y'all, let me take my cap off. If you did see the wash day video, then you know I have 4C hair. So as y'all can see, the shrinkage is real. The treatment is still on. I'm gonna detangle it a little bit, or not detangle it, but just comb the treatment through, and I'm gonna rinse it out. It's good and treated, honey, because it's been on here for all my work shift, so hours, honey. Once I get this treatment rinsed out, I will be back to you guys, and I'm gonna show you my next step. Alright, I got that all rinsed out. Now today I am using Marula Oil Extended Style Primer for my leave-in conditioner. It smells so good. So now that I have my leave-in conditioner in, of course you want to make sure you always use leave-in conditioner after you're done rinsing your regular conditioner out with cool water, of course. I'm gonna go in and detangle my hair, and I'm just gonna use 2 sections. Y'all know I'm a 2-section girl as of now with the length that I have. So I'm just gonna divide my hair into 2 sections, clip them up, and I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer. Now, if you guys would like a video on what to do if you don't have a hooded dryer, leave it in the comments. Give me like a thumbs up emoji in the comments, and then I'll make that video too, just to show you, just in case you don't have a hooded dryer at home, give you some more options. But I got a hooded dryer, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's what's gonna work for me. Again, it's late. I've been at work all day. I don't wanna, you know, I can't do nothing. It's gonna take longer than that. Okay, I'm gonna just take it and do a little twist on it, just like that. Just so it has a little bit of tension to it. It's kind of stretched. So when it's drying under the dryer, it can kind of already get a little stretching going. Alright, I got my clips. Got my hair clipped up. Hopefully this is a good angle for y'all. I got it all clipped up. I'm ready for the dryer. I'm gonna sit under the dryer and dry, and then I will be back. So now that I am mostly dry, my hair isn't really that damp at all. It's a little damp in the middle part, but for the most part, most of it's dry. It's about 80% dry. So I still have some shrinkage. I'm gonna take my little, I think this is a Conair. It's a Conair? No, it's a Kiss blow dryer. I got it from Walmart. It comes with the little comb attachment and also a comb attachment. But I do use the comb when I am blow drying my own hair. But I'm gonna show you guys what I do. First, I'm gonna use the blow dryer and kind of stretch my hair with my hands. Kind of stretch it out some first. And then I'm gonna come in, put my tip back on there, and use it on my ends and work my way in to stretch it out. So I like to stretch it out first before I go in with my comb, because stretching it out helps kind of stretch out some of the kink, so it takes less time for me to get it stretched out, and it also is less painful to get it stretched out because it's kind of mostly been pulled. So most of my tangle now is on the ends, so that's why I'm going to start on the ends just like I do when I'm detangling with the comb attachment. Okay, so now I got the ends done. I'm gonna just go ahead and split this one section into 2, and then now I'm gonna try to get it even more stretched out. So I'm breaking it up so that way my hair in the middle part doesn't get trapped tighter in the middle usually. So I want to split it up so I can stretch it all out. As y'all can see, I broke that section up as I was going into other smaller sections just to get as much pull as I can. My camera died, but I am back. Y'all see I got this side all stretched out in a little plait. So I already did this front little piece. I'm gonna jump right back into it. Okay, y'all, so now that I have it all stretched out, or as stretched out as I can get it with the blow dryer, because I mean it's not gonna be bone straight, guys, but this is a pretty good stretch for braids, especially a braid down to go under a wig. And I need my ends trimmed. Y'all see my little balls on the ends. Y'all probably, I know y'all been seeing them probably pop off a little bit, but I'll trim them once I take this style down. So far, the only products I've used have been the leave-in conditioner, and I'm also going to use a little bit of my marula oil, just a little bit, because of course, you know, typically braiders want you to not have any products or anything in your hair, plus you don't want it greasy and heavy underneath the wig or braids. So I'm literally just using that much for this little section. Mostly focusing it on my ends. Rub it all in now. Okay, so then I like to take a bristle brush, a hard bristle brush, and brush it, because this also helps to pull the oil through to the ends really good. And it also stretches the hair some too. I do like to use my bristle brush. And I'm just gonna gather it all up and put it in a plait. So I'm gonna braid it, because the braid will keep it stretched out as well. Just give me some good brushes in. Okay, I'm gonna use my little wooden detangle comb on the ends. Y'all know this is my favorite thing. Okay, then I'm just gonna take it into 3 parts. There's my 3, and make me a little plait. And I'm using as much tension as I can in my fingers to help keep the hair stretched out. I braid it down as far as I can, and then the very ends I do go ahead and just twist it with 2 pieces. Still using as much tension as I can. Y'all can see how my fingers, they're like turning pink because I'm using a little tension to help keep it stretched. And there is my little plait. It's mostly a braid. It's pretty taut, it's not tight, but it does have some tension to it. And I'm gonna just brush it. This should definitely be stretched out enough for some braids, for a wig, for sure. I'm gonna pin my ends. Look at it flying. My little pigtail. I'm just gonna pin them down. And this helps with even more stretch. Alright, y'all. This is it. This is how I prep my hair for braids. And it's just that simple, guys. Simple blow dry. Just be sure that once your hair is about 80% dry, that cuts down on your time, and it helps your hair from breaking, from being wet and being stretched out with the dryer. So you do want it fairly dry. If you are going to sit under a hooded dryer, use your blow dryer without the comb first. Then you can use your comb attachment, starting at the ends first, working your way inside of the hair. I do use a little bit of a lightweight oil. The oil that I use is very lightweight. Like you can't even see nothing on my hands after I used it. So it's not heavy at all. So I used a tiny drop of that, one per section, brushed it through to stretch it out and run that oil through my hair shafts. And I just did me some cute little plaits. If you cannot plait your hair, you can definitely just put you two little ponytails and then twist the ends of that to keep it as stretched out as you want to. You know, you're working with what you have and what you can do at home, so you got to get it as stretched out as you can. So if you cannot do a plait or a braid, just use you some ponytail wrappers and create you some ponytails. And you can even use the wrappers to stretch the ends out if you want to. If you can't twist, plait, braid, child, you ain't got none of those skills, ponytail your way out. If you enjoyed this video, this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with anybody you know who may be having some struggles with knowing how to blow dry their hair. I actually did this video because I just had a client just last week come in to get her hair trimmed. Her goal was to get her hair stretched out and blow dried on her own at home. And when she came in, it was half and half, child. I still had to end up blow drying it. So I wanted to share with you guys how I blow dry my hair. Hopefully to give you some inspiration next time it's time for you to prep your hair for braids or a wig install. I'll see you guys on the next upload.